Coach, morning coach. Ohayo gozaimasu.
Good morning. Welcome here at Sakura Damon, and today is a running clinic. Not everybody, hindi makapunta lahat, so not on time. But anyway, we're trying to beat that Filipino time thing, right? So, thank you. Especially we have Mayang, we have Joe, Arnold, George, and we have new friends. Yuta, and then Hanuma. And that's my coach.
The commanding general?
The one who speaks a lot.
Yuta. Yeah, I got them here. The adopted son.
Yeah.
Because I miss my son.
And then of course we have our Jemerson. He's our strider's triathlete. And then Bong. Also Bong, our new member. They're strong because they do swimming, running, and cycling. And yesterday, what did you do? How
160, 160, 180.
Cycling.
Cycling.
Yesterday I did 2 kilometers, maybe shopping. with yeah. So we are. This is preparation. We are inviting everybody for our 10th charity fun run and walk. And then this time our guest will be Toyo University also.
Yes.
And then we have many VIPs from embassies.
Yes. Ambassador also
Ambassador will come, and then some will challenge some officers of the embassy.
Okay.
And yeah.
But before that, imbitahan po natin ang ating mga kababayan, kaibigang narito sa Japan, even any nationality. Punta po kayo ng Yoyogi Park dahil darating po ang ating Manny Pacquiao Pacman. Makakapiling po yan.
Eight-fold title.
Yeah, at marami po tayong mga pagkain galing pa ng Pilipinas at mga mga nagbamaskara nagsasayaw ng mga Philippine ati-atihan. Marami po tayong mga guests
September
on
19 and
September
20.
19 and 20, Saturday, Sunday sa Yoyogi Park.
Oh, sample dance.
Alright?
Zumba? Yeah. Our Zumba dance.
Nice!
Wala pang tulog yan.
Wala na, pagkakasayaw ang pinag-usapan.
That's nice.
Wala pang
Alright, here
tulog.
we go.
Okay.
Para sa'yo. Bye, kuling ka.
Bye.
Continue your...
Wala pa rin tulog.
Wala pa rin tulog. Good morning. Nandito kami, we are here sa Imperial Garden, Sakura Damon. Preparation for the 10th Peace Riders Charity Fun Run. So please come and join us, and also sa September 19 and 20 with Manny Pacquiao.
Nice.
Yes! Ay, Tita Jo! Dito po si Tita Jo. Ayan.
See you in the fun run.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yun lang. Katipid
See you in
naman.
the fun run, October 4.
Yes.
Peace Riders.
Yes.
Run for your health.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Alright.
Please come and join the 10th Charity Fun Run of Peace Riders on October 4 at Sakura Damon.
Yes.
Yes.
Ibang beautiful talaga. Maganahan ka. Yes, we are ready to go for Sakura Damon. Running training. Ne?
Clinic.
Ne? At kasama natin ngayon ang
Happiness.
ating awesome Jemerson. Diba? Mr. Ironman.
Lagyan natin dito para...
And also, soon we have a bowling tournament, okay?
Ah, yes,
Peace
yes.
Riders is the champion.
Wow, the champion, ne?
That's 13?
Hindi ko na
September
matandaan eh. 13 yan.
September
September 13, akala ko pang ilan.
September 13.
Sunday, 12 noon at Citizen Plaza,
And
Takatanumbaba, Tokyo.
Peace Riders is the defending champion.
Yes.
7
yes.
straight strike by
Yes.
coach.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes. So, let's enjoy, ne? Let's enjoy.
Hello. Huwag kang matakot. Ikaw naman, ba't ka natatakot? Message sa Peace Rider. Mag-invite ka sa October 4.
Hihingal pa daw siya.
Okay.
Gusto niya mag-try kasi.
Ano yan, no?
Garmin, isa kanya yan. Dito sa akin. Hindi naman kita ipapalabas ng YouTube.
Hello.
Mukhang bagong
Kanya.
Dumaan ako.
Picturean mo naman kami ni Madam Angie.
Oo, kaya ko. Para
Huwag mo lang i-Facebook. Huwag mo lang i-Facebook.
bawal na perfection, hindi ko Facebook. Coach, ilang office na yun? Illegal yan. Itong malaking video.
Diyan ka lang. Oh, naiwanan na sila.
Dahan-dahan lang, di ba?
Oo nga, hindi ka. Dapat
Pwede
kasama
naman
sila.
natin balikan ganun eh. Gusto nilang pakuha niya.
Ano ang pantalon? Pawis eh.
Next year na yan.
Yung papawis na ipinagawa niya.
Next year na yan.
Ilalagay daw niya sa YouTube.
Go, go!
See you later.
Hindi ko naman nakita.
Nakahit ko, nakakahiyak ko. Kasabay ko, coach.
Siyempre!
Sorry, hindi ko kayo
Second to the
mahintay na
champion.
dalawa.
Champion from the last.
Hindi, ano sa GPF sila, bibigyan daw ako yung award.
Okay, picture na natin. Ipopost ko from GPS.
Babalikan kita kahit wala ko. Sabi ko, yung pawis ko ba?
Ito ka.
Bilis nito, beginner.
Beginner ba yan?
As international.
Oh, okay ah.
May award daw.
Nice.
Diyan, ikaw sumangga.
Ikaw na, coach.
Ay, hindi na ba? Yeah. Some of them are here. Nasaan na si Eli? Eli!
Lai.
Ang cute ko.
Kaya nga, nene ang tawag ko dyan. Si Nene. Ay, Nene. Dito na.
No more, mama.
Ilang minuto? August 15, 16, 2015, Ibiya Park, Tokyo. I am very honored to inform you that the organizing committee has chosen you among other nominees provided by the Filipino organization to be recipient of the Multicultural and International Award, along with 4 other individuals 5 months ago. We have asked the different communities and embassies in Tokyo to nominate individuals who have succeeded in creating an atmosphere of unity, encompassing barriers of nationality and ethnic differences, helping create a healthy multicultural society. Some groups has nominated you, and the committee decided that your effort in your organization deserves the salute. In this regard, we would like to give you this award.
Thank you. Very honorable. I want to kiss that.
Not me.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Oh. Congratulations, good. Naka 5K ka na. So, yeah! Live! Mayang, live! Live! Come on, come on! Huwag kayong pahalatang pagod!
Successful indeed. Yes, thank you so much.
Bye! Ingat! Ini-invite ko na sana sa akin namin eh.